Are you looking for a way to significantly increase the money in your life? One of the best ways to make more money is to find a product or service that a lot of people are looking for, and then figure out a way to get yourself between the supply and the demand. I have recently discovered a very large market that is virtually untapped, and few people even know about it yet. As a commodity, the coffee bean ranks second only to petroleum in terms of dollars traded worldwide. And as lucrative as the coffee market already is, its future may be even brighter, as new scientific research suggests that coffee may benefit your health as much as it pleases your taste. And the best news is, you can be one of the first to get involved in distributing a new blend of coffee, with the potential to earn unlimited income, and the cost to get started is only $33. The name of the company is Joy to Live, and they have taken the natural desirability of coffee and infused it with plant extracts, long known for their health benefits. They use the highest quality coffee beans and add the best of Mother Nature, which now provides you with a high-impact beverage that not only tastes great, but also makes you feel great. Imagine a life-enhancing coffee that improves your health, a coffee that gives you more focus. Imagine a coffee that gives you more energy and helps you lose weight. A coffee that improves intimate relationships. A coffee that helps reduce pain. And imagine a coffee that turns back the face of time and makes you look younger. And they didn't stop there. They combined all these benefits with a generous and fair compensation plan that pays you weekly and gives you the potential to match the income of each person you personally refer to the Joy to Live opportunity, up to $100,000 a month. That's right, match the income up to $100,000 monthly for each and every person that you personally introduce to the video you are watching right now. So let me just ask you, how difficult was it for someone to introduce you to this video? And yes, should you decide to join the Joy to Live opportunity, he or she can match 100% of your income up to $100,000 a month just for getting you to watch it. But the real question is, how many people will you share this video with, now that you know that you can match the income of each person you tell about it? Now, I know that a few of you may be thinking that you don't drink coffee and are wondering how you can promote something you don't use personally. I'm glad you asked, because you could build a multi-million-dollar business by focusing on any one of the extraordinary Joy to Live products and still benefit from the 87% of the population who already drink coffee. And finally, let me share with you a million-dollar secret. Almost all millionaires have three things in common. They recognize opportunity when they see it. They make decisions quickly, and then they follow through with their decisions. So even if your income goal is less than becoming a millionaire, I encourage you to make a decision to get started today and quickly find a few people who want to drink coffee and earn some extra money. Because network marketing has created more millionaires than any other industry. And after thoroughly checking this out, I believe that Joy to Live is going to create more millionaires than any other company up to this point. And by sending this video to a few of your friends, you will be well on your way to earning more money than you ever dreamed possible. And just for filling out the form and taking a closer look, you are going to receive a free copy of a 472-page book entitled The Causes of Over 200 Diseases. This free book will allow you to take control of your health so that you can live long enough to enjoy the money that you're going to be making. Just fill out the adjacent form to get your free book, and then get yourself enrolled in Joy to Live and start sharing this video with your friends before somebody else does.